Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sell items on the Roblox marketplace. So as you can see, I'm now on Roblox, and if I want to sell items, I need to go to my inventory. So basically you need to go to the sidebar on the left side of your screen and then tap on those three dots. So tap on this, and here you see Marketplace Premium, and you see a lot of other stuff, but you need to tap on Inventory right under Marketplace. And here you see all the items you own, all the clothing you own, and basically what you need to do is, you can just tap on this one, for example, and as you see, I own this, this hat, and if I want to sell this, I need to tap on those three dots, and when this is a limited item, the option sell pops up. So basically what you can do, or what the only option is when you own a limited item, you can sell that item. So only limited items that are available on the Roblox marketplace and that you own, you can sell again. So you cannot sell, for example, animations, or for example this. You cannot sell those sunglasses, for example, because they are first of all free, and because they are not limited, so they are still for sale on the Roblox marketplace. So basically that's it. So for example, if I want to buy this one or get this one, I cannot sell it anymore. So if I want to buy this one, I cannot sell it later on because it's not a limited item. So you need to keep that in mind, and you also need to turn on two-factor authenticator in order to sell on the Roblox marketplace. But let's just imagine this this is a limited item on Roblox, and I want to and I own this, for example. Then you just need to tap on those three dots, and here you see sell this item. You can set up a price. You can see the average price of the item over the last 180 days, and you can determine a price based on that information. So basically that's it. It's very easy to sell, but you first need to own you need to own limited items. So this or selling will not work when it's not a limited item. So keep that in mind. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.